Hi, I'm Brett and I'm really excited to show you the Redsbaby SKIP stroller. Ultra lightweight, ultra compact, weighing just 6.9 kilos. Perfect stroller for those of you looking to go traveling, maybe a stroller for your parents or parents-in-law, or of course, just a second stroller to have if you've got an older child. One of my favorite features about it is just how compact and lightweight it is. And I'm gonna do the fold first. To fold it up, I simply lift up the front. Under it is a black latch and lift up. Under the telescopic handle, two black latches. I slide them up and then straight down to the ground where it automatically locks into place. It does come with a shoulder strap as well, which is really nice when you do want to carry it on your shoulder. It simply just rests like that. Then to come back off once again, there's a red latch on the side. Simply release the red latch, lift back up, and your SKIP's ready to be used. It does come with 3 different shoulder positions as your child grows, and in the middle is a 5-point safety harness. Press the center buckle and all 4 straps will come out. To go back in, simply push in and they'll lock back into place. It does also come with a footrest, as you can see here in the top positions. If I press the 2 black buttons, push down 1 and 2, gives you that extra leg room, especially if you do have a taller child. Being Australian owned and designed, we have this large canopy. Simply open it up, pull forward, and for a small compact pram, it's a really nice large canopy. To recline the seat is really simple. Simply pinch the 2 black levers and pull down to choose your desired position. And to go back up, simply do the reverse. For a lightweight stroller, it has a really large basket with really easy access from the back. To use the brake, really simple. Just push down on the red paddle to lock, and to release, simply push down once again. The SKIP stroller does come with a bag, which is really nice when you want to go traveling, or of course, if you just want to store the SKIP stroller away. We also have a range of compatible accessories on our website. Thank you so much for joining me today. Here at Redsbaby, we have our promise: 3-year warranty, 30-day trials, free easy return, and local customer support.